what you doing?
I'm watching this hilarious puppy video on YouTube. Her name is Gioia, and his name is Vinny.
Oh, what was that? I think I hear a noise. I'll go outside and see what it is.
Oh, no, you don't. Get over here and snuggle up to me as we watch it together.
Do I have to?
I said snuggle. Now snuggle like you mean it. It's a short video, so pay attention.
Okay, love nugget. Oh.
Hey, Beau, that's pretty funny, huh?
Is that it? Oh, yeah, really funny. Now I gotta go outside.
Oh, no, you don't. You gonna watch this again. And this time you're gonna laugh your fat, tubby-lard ass off, too.
Okay, love dove.
And cut the crap about always calling me things like love dove or sugar goblin. That act is old.
Okay, love monkey. I'm sorry, I forgot already.
Now you better subscribe to Gioia and Vinny's YouTube channel on all your devices, pronto. And if you don't, you'll see what kind of damage this love monkey is capable of. Got it?
10-4, sugar cow.